Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to work with muzzle flashes. I'm going to be showing you how to do a machine gun muzzle flash and a regular just pistol muzzle flash. And first you want to go to your file, or first you want to go to your browser. You want to go to Google and find a image of a muzzle flash. If you can't find any with a black background, black is probably the best for a muzzle flash, and I'll show you why. But if you can't find any with a black background, then you can just go to like your editing paint, or like your photo editing software, and just crop out the background so there's only a transparent muzzle flash, or a muzzle flash with a transparent background. So once you do that, you want to import your file, your muzzle flash. And if you have Action Essentials, you shouldn't have to go look for a muzzle flash because it'll be right there. But I'm gonna go desktop, yeah, Quinn. I'll show you some muzzle flashes. Picture, just like that. That will work for muzzle flash. So I'm gonna actually import it from my new program here. Action Essentials. Let's do okay. Let's go back. Action Essentials, muzzle flashes, and first we're going to be doing a pistol muzzle flash, and I'll just use suppressed fire one. Open, and there is our muzzle flash. If I drag this onto the screen, it's going to take a second, so I guess I'll just drag it into a new composition. You'll see what it is. Just a tiny little red, and then smoke comes up. In regular muzzle flashes, you're not going to have smoke, so you want to go and find a program that does smoke or whatever. That's good. But one thing that I did, or one thing that you can do, is just like search like free effects, and that should work. So, and yeah, if Action Essentials though, if you can, just get it. It's like the best you can ever get. So now that you imported your muzzle flash, you want to get this guy, and I already have it transparent, but if it is not transparent, then you want to right click on it, go down to blending mode, and go down to screen. And if you have Action Essentials, it comes transparent. If it's a picture, definitely do that, but it only works with black screens. So now you want to import your footage. Import file. Let's see. Let's just go to desktop, some random video. Do that. Bring this in here. This is a different tutorial at a different time. It's gonna be cool though, once we do get to it. Oh, no, I didn't do that right. Control plus control. Here we go. And I like to keep it out a little, just to be able to see all this stuff. So if we move this around, this is our muzzle flash. We can make it shorter, we can make it bigger, we can do really anything. Again, if it's black on the screen, right click, blending mode, screen. You're gonna get to love that because it can be very helpful with the green screens and everything. So now if we play our footage, if the thing did, so we see that little boom. And if you have a sound effect, or you can just go to some kind of website, download a sound effect, like a Pistol Shop. You can put that in. You just import it, drag it right there. You can't drag it on the screen though. Just drag it right there, and line it up with your muzzle flash. And that's that. And this should be good. So, boom. That is basically how you do a muzzle flash. If you want, you can also do a clip by going to YouTube you can also do a shell by going to YouTube and downloading a shell, or any spot and downloading a picture of a shell or whatever. And then you import your shell, drag it on the screen. You go down to, it's this thing, see these? You go down to the shells bar, then you click there, hit P for position, add one keyframe, and then go like 2 keyframes ahead and then add another keyframe and drag the shell all the way out of the screen, and it'll look like the shell flew out. Or you can drag it down, it doesn't really matter. And that's a lot about muzzle flashes that you'll learn. You can also use the skill to do lots of other things, like importing pictures into your footage. I hope you learned from this. Yeah, I have to go though, so if I can find a way to end this thing.